Giving the warmest of welcome to the President and CEO of Palawan Group of Companies. Let's all please give a round of applause to Mr. Carlo M. Castro.
Thank you, Karen. Good morning, everyone. Happy Palawan Day. First, thank you to our friends from the media for joining us today. Your presence means a lot to us at the Palawan Group of Companies. Gatherings like this allow us not only to introduce new innovations, but also to share the purpose and partnerships behind the services we bring to Filipinos. For 4 decades, we at Palawan have been guided by a simple but meaningful purpose. Serbisyong may malasakit para sa ating kapwa Pilipino. From our beginnings in pawn shop services to digital solutions we offer today, our goal has always been the same: to make financial services more accessible to everyday Filipinos. Across the country, we meet customers every day. Farmers, wives and mothers carefully managing their household budgets, palengke vendors setting aside their daily earnings, and drivers working hard to provide for their loved ones. At the same time, we see a growing number of young Filipinos, Gen Z, the digital natives, who prefer managing their finances through their smartphones. Despite these shifts, one challenge remains: saving money is still difficult for many Filipinos. Traditional savings products often require maintaining balances or initial deposits that can feel out of reach for everyday earners. For many, opening a savings account can still seem intimidating or inaccessible. At Palawan Pay, we believe saving should be simple. More importantly, saving should be inclusive. That belief led us to develop PalaSave, our new digital savings feature within the Palawan Pay app. With PalaSave, verified users can open a savings account with no initial deposit, zero maintaining balance, and start building their savings with as little as 200 pesos for succeeding deposits, while earning competitive interest on their funds. What makes this initiative even more meaningful is that we are doing this in partnership with RCBC through its financial inclusion platform, Discartec. RCBC has been a trusted Philippine bank for more than 60 years. It is known for its commitment to innovation and expanding access to financial services. By combining RCBC's strength and expertise in banking with Palawan Pay's nationwide reach and strong connection with everyday Filipinos, we are able to create a savings solution that is both secure and accessible. This partnership allows us to bring together the trust and stability of a long-established bank with the convenience and reach of a digital wallet that serves millions of Filipinos. For us, PalaSave is not just a new feature. It is another step forward in advancing financial inclusion. Whether someone is already familiar with Palawan through our branches or is part of the younger generation managing finances digitally, we want them to have a safe and simple way to save. Ultimately, our goal is clear: to make saving possible for every Filipino, especially for the masa who have long been underserved by traditional financial products. Today, we look forward to sharing more about PalaSave, our partnership with RCBC, and how Palawan Pay continues to evolve as a trusted financial partner for Filipinos. Again, thank you for being here and for helping us share this important step in our journey. Magandang umaga po at maraming salamat for being here. And as we say and do in Palawan, happy to serve you.